Hello, this is Erin Perry. The title of my poster is Autism. The class is Masters of Arts in Psychology Capstone. I go to Ashford University. Welcome to my presentation. Is autism genetic? The argument of autism spectrum disorder having genetic DNA roots in families is valid. Researchers studying autism spectrum disorders, or ASD, have linked genetics to ASD, though to what degree it remains unknown. ASD is a disorder that develops in young children, usually showing symptoms and signs that are clear markers of the disorder by age 3. Early intervention is critical for children with autism, as learning day-to-day activities will improve quality of life over their lifetime. The subsequent rise of children diagnosed with ASD has risen in the last few decades to become what is classified as epidemic status. The rate of autism diagnosis increased by 119.4%, with 1 in 68 births from 2000 to 2010, according to the Center for Disease Control. Further research must be done to find what causes autism exactly, so that the world can be educated further about ASD. Future generations need information to understand how autism occurs, to what genetic degree, and is it preventable? Is autism environmental? Some researchers have argued that autism spectrum disorder, ASD, is caused by environmental chemicals that pregnant women are exposed to. In turn, this exposure causes changes to the baby in utero, resulting in autism. Currently, there are hundreds of new chemicals that the public is exposed to every day that were not present a decade ago. One of the chemicals is common pesticides. BPA and phthalates are both known to cause endocrine disruptions and are found in common day-to-day household objects. Researchers argue that environmental factors cause autism via exposure. Research studies have explained this theory, and there are thousands of studies available to be read on the subject. A solution. Perhaps the answer is by using both methods to combine research, uncovering further knowledge. Studies that use this method are scarce and extremely difficult to find. The studies that are found have uncovered that both elements, genetic and environmental, cause ASD, and some prevention can be practiced. With enough information, the future could hold a simple blood test to determine if a child will be born with autism. Vaccines given to pregnant women to prevent development of environmental risks to her unborn baby may be something the future holds with the proper research. To begin to make these thoughts reality, research must partner both genetic and environmental research in autism research to discover more knowledge that will benefit not just those with ASD, autism spectrum disorder, but the world. Thank you again for attending my presentation.